Alright guys, this is 4.1 extra practice number 3. This is in preparation for your quiz. Okay, I'm going to complete a few examples here so you guys get a little tip or reminder for each section of this worksheet, and you guys are going to complete the rest on your own. Okay, so for numbers 1 through 4 here, they want you to name the congruent triangles. Well, look at the original O, okay, and then G, and then D. Okay, so OGD. If you were to match that up on the other side, D would correlate with 2 arcs with C. G would correlate as the 90-degree angle with R, and O would correlate with P. So you would follow that same order. O is yellow, P is yellow, G was green, R is green, D was blue, C is blue. Okay. Number 2, you have triangle RAC. Well, R is in between the 2 and the 3 prong side with the tick marks, so that would correlate with O. A is in between 1 and 3, so in between 1 and 3 would be E, which would leave C and G to match up. So if you're following the order, R correlated with O, A correlated with E, C correlated with G. Skip to the next section, look at number 7, okay? The first thing they ask you is triangle FGH is congruent to, and this goes from F to G to H, so we would start with F to E to I. Okay. Then if you take a look at your examples for the angles, they want to know what correlates with angle EFI, which is this one right here, with 1 arc. Well, its congruence angle would be on the other side, which we would call CFH, because they both have 1 arc. Okay. On the bottom here, they're asking you the same questions, except they don't provide you with the triangles, okay? All they give you is the congruency statement. So draw 2 triangles. I'm gonna call the first one EFI, and this one I'm gonna call HGI. Okay? Draw your congruencies. Okay, and then your first question would ask, angle E is congruent, and that would be to angle H. Okay, 9 and 10, they just want you to state the following. What is going to be your congruency statement? And I'm going to say PQR, triangle PQR is congruent to triangle MNR. Okay, complete each congruent statement by naming the corresponding angle. You have angle ZYX is right here, and that's going to correspond to angle Y. I'm sorry. You have angle ZYX, which is going to correspond to angle YZF. Okay, more congruence. And for the last section here, they want you to mark the sides that are congruent. Okay, so you have triangle PRQ and triangle UQV. Okay, then you just simply mark the sides. In between 1 and 2, you can give 1 tick mark. In between 2 and 3, you can give 2 tick marks. And you can give 3 on the third.